Hello there, my name is Rodney. I'm with Zero Stress Business Funding and the Oasis Funding Network. You know what? I often get asked the following question. Someone will say to me, I have great credit and a great relationship with my bank. Why should I use you instead of the bank? Well, it's a great question. First answer is we're not asking you to, especially for certain loan products. That may be the best decision is for you to use your bank, especially smaller banks that you've been with for a while. They're your local bank, a community bank. You have a great relationship with them. You know the manager personally and all of that. However, there are many reasons why people with great relationships with their bank still choose to use our services instead of a bank in many different situations. First and foremost is the bank declines 80% of business loan applications and will do so for many reasons, even if you have an 800 credit score. But let's set that aside. We're not even going to talk about that for now. Another reason is just time. Sometimes opportunities come along and you need funding tomorrow to take advantage of that opportunity or next week before it's gone. Who wants to miss out on a sure thing to double, triple, or more your investment just because you didn't have the capital available quickly enough? Having us on speed dial can make sure that hopefully you don't miss out on those opportunities. Another reason is that we can get you funding on many things banks won't touch. Because we work with many lenders of all different types, both private, institutional, conventional, non-conventional, we can often get you or your project funded when the bank is kind of scared of their own shadow. Sometimes we'll have you funded before they even manage to schedule your slightly intimidating sit-down meeting. Yes, there are definitely times to use your bank or credit union, but there are also a ton of scenarios in which they are just not set up to be able to help you to deal with. Also, many business owners have to take every deduction they can in order to reduce their tax liability as much as possible by the end of the year. I'm sure you're aware of this. As a business owner, it is advantageous for you to show as low a profit as possible when tax time comes. Unfortunately, the need to do that can seriously torpedo your attempts to get any kind of traditional bank funding moving forward, which can in turn restrict or inhibit the growth of your business, or prevent you from taking advantage of some great opportunity. And of course, what do the banks ask for when you apply for any type of loan from them, or business loan especially? Tax returns. Yeah, we may ask for tax returns as well for some types of loans, but the difference is that we're usually just using them as verification that a business is legit. Plus, our lenders can look at them. They're willing to figure out the deductions, adjust your revenue assessment to something more reflective of your business's true profitability and earning power instead of just taking them at face value, as the IRS does. Our lenders are also not restricted by the bank's quote-unquote guidelines when they're deciding whether to approve or not approve a loan. So please, give us a call, a text, an email, whatever. Even if you just have some questions about possible funding options down the road, we would love to establish a working win-win relationship with you and be that liquid capital, so to speak, in your back pocket whenever you need it. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's contact info in the description below. If you're on Facebook, there should be some info in the description of this post. If you're on my website, of course, it's very easy to get a message to us or reach out to us. So please reach out today for a zero stress, no obligation, no pressure, no expectations consultation. Happy to help and answer any questions you might have. Till next time, bye.